In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Wise card. If you're new to Wise, their card lets you spend in multiple currencies at fair rates, and you can choose a digital card for instant use or a physical card for everyday swipes and ATM withdrawals. I'll walk you through the process on a mobile to phone so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. From the home screen, look for the section labeled Cards. Give that a tap to open the card options. Inside the cards area, you'll see an option to order a debit card. Tap Order a Debit Card to begin. At this point, Wise will let you choose between a digital card and a physical card. A digital card is great if you want to start using it immediately for online purchases and to add it to mobile wallets, while a physical card is ideal if you want a plastic card you can tap, swipe, or use at ATMs. Fees and availability can vary depending on your region, so it's a good idea to glance at any on-screen details before moving on. When you're ready to proceed, tap the right arrow icon to continue. For this walkthrough, we'll select the physical card. Tap Physical Card to confirm that choice. You'll then see the option to order your standard card. This is the basic, most commonly chosen card option, so go ahead and tap Order your standard card. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your delivery address. Take a moment to ensure everything is accurate and complete, including apartment or unit numbers, correct postal codes, and any formatting your local postal service expects. Using the address that matches your local delivery records can prevent delays. If you have a preferred shipping location where someone can receive mail securely, consider using that. Once your delivery details look perfect, tap Continue. That's it for this portion of the application. From here, the app may guide you through any final confirmations or show estimated delivery timelines. Keep an eye on your notifications so you don't miss updates, and make sure your name on the card and address details match what your delivery service expects to avoid any holdups. If you ever decide a digital card better suits your needs, you can select that earlier in the flow and start using it right away in many online stores and mobile wallets. Otherwise, you're all set to receive your Wise physical card and start spending with ease.